Hi, Carlos. How are you today?
Hi, Emily. I'm good, thanks. The weather is beautiful today.
Yes, it's sunny and warm. It's a perfect day for a picnic.
That's a great idea. Do you want to go to the park this afternoon?
Yes, what time should we meet?
How about 3 p.m.?
Perfect. I'll bring some sandwiches and drinks.
Great. I'll bring a blanket and some games.
See you later, Carlos.
See you later.
How was your trip to Italy?
It was amazing. I visited Rome, Florence, and Venice.
Wow, what did you like the most?
I loved the Colosseum in Rome and the canals in Venice.
Did you try the food there?
Yes, the pizza and pasta were delicious. I also had a lot of gelato.
Sounds like a perfect trip.
It really was. I want to go back someday.
Hello, Pedro. Are you busy this Saturday?
Hi, Anna. No, I'm free. Why?
I'm having a birthday party at my house. Would you like to come?
That sounds fun. What time does the party start?
It starts at 6 p.m.
Should I bring something?
No, just bring yourself. We'll have food, drinks, and music.
Excellent. I'll be there.
Great. See you on Saturday.
See you. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books and going for long walks.
That's nice. What kind of books do you read?
I love mystery and adventure novels.
Do you walk every day?
Almost every day, I usually walk in the park near my house.
That's very healthy. I usually go to the gym in my free time.
That's great. Exercise is important.
Yes, it helps me relax after work. Do you like using new technology?
Yes, I love trying new gadgets and apps.
What is your favorite app right now?
I really like the new fitness app. It helps me track my workout and my diet.
That's useful. I mostly use my phone for social media and reading news.
Social media is fun, but I try not to spend too much time on it.
Me too. Sometimes I lose track of time while scrolling.
Technology is great, but we need balance.